Lou Kang, Kang's Kicks. Hey, coming back with another one, man. Back at y'all, man. You know I'm coming with it. You know I'm coming to bring it. So look, another one, man. I really can't wait to open these up and see what they looking like in person. Like I just can't wait, man. Like this is exciting. I like to do this. Like I'm enjoying this. You know what I'm saying? It's like I don't just get to open them up on my own and look at them. Like now I can open them up and show y'all too and talk about them. Man, come on now. Come on, man. Hey, before I even open these though, like if y'all feeling this, man, if y'all like shoes, y'all like Jordans, y'all like J's, y'all like just fly shoes in general, whether they Iversons, whether they some Yeezys, whatever, man. Hey, click this button for me right here. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel, man. Subscribe, because I'm coming with it. I'm coming with the heat. All right, let's get them open. Let's crack these things open, man. You know what I'm saying? Little cutters right here. You know? Another one. Real smooth. Just like that. We're going to open these up. You know, we're going to talk about them. Bam. See what they looking like. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. I'm feeling the box. A little bit of a different box than I ever seen. Oh, these is hard. Air Jordan Retro 5 original colors. Fire reds. Fire reds though. Ooh, we coming with that fire, man. Okay, open him up. Ooh. 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 Man, they looking good. Straight from Nike. Cop from the sneakers app. Look at it, man. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So look, I always wanted these, right? I've always wanted the white ones. Like, I had the black ones, but they was like a re-release like black ones. Like, what year was that? I was like, what, 2006 when they came out with the black ones, but it didn't have the Nike Air on the back. It was a Jumpman. Man, look at these, man. Can y'all see that right now? Do y'all see that? Like, man, come on now. Look, 3M on a ton. Woo. Ooh, 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 ooh. Man, these is hard. Lace lock system. You know, that right there, that's a lace lock. Yeah, that's a lace lock right there. Keep them laces locked down, man. Look, ankle pads on them. You know, you don't want to, you probably won't sprain your ankle in these. You know, if so, you got some cushioning. You got some cushioning, though. Clear bottoms on it. And look, this right here, this little design right here, this was inspired by a World War II fighter jet. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see that? Y'all see that right there? Man, hey, what a hard shoe, man. Something that I'm just really enjoying of adding to the collection. I really, really am. You know, back in, when I had mines with the Jumpman on the black ones, you know, I also had what, the green beans, that was all 3M. Those was hard. It was all 3M. I had to dump those. And I also had the blue and white ones. I also had the blue and white ones, man. And that's, man, I always wanted these. Hey, look. This look good. This look good. Like, I could bust these. Yeah, original colors, man, they're not going nowhere. I'm keeping these. I'm keeping these, definitely. So, yeah, you know, World War II fighter planes. That's where this part came from. The little design on that, you know. And, you know, basically, man, I just wanted to talk to y'all about something. You know, just give y'all the rundown, man, and tell y'all, you know, enjoy this moment with y'all, man. So I don't know if I could leave these in here like this. I might have to keep these in a box because this part right here, this plastic part, this get yellow over time, and I think it's the air. And so let me give y'all some game right quick. You know, let me just tell y'all what I know. You know, what I do know, man, and shout out Rory, man. Hey, shout out Rory for being a real one, man. Look, that paper that they used to put in there, this is why they start putting the plastic. Because that paper will actually cause your shoes to yellow. Like if you keep your shoes stored in a box like this, right, and you put the paper on them and wrap them on top, it could cause your shoes to get yellow. So what I used to do is, when Rory gave me the game, appreciate you, Rory, man, love you, man. Hey, shout out my homie Rory, man. Look, so Rory used to tell me when we was working together, he used to be like, hey, fold the paper over, you know what I'm saying, and then put your shoes on top like this. Bam. You know what I'm saying? So this is how you store your shoes. You'll put the paper on the bottom, if you got paper, and then put your kicks like that, because otherwise, man, they finna yellow. But that's why they started with this black plastic, because this black plastic actually helps with that. You know what I'm saying? This is preventing some of the yellowing. So, you know, yeah, man, that part. You know, that's good knowledge, man. That's good knowledge. That's something really, really good to know. So I just wanted to holler at y'all. You know, I be giving my history, man. The 5's originally dropped in 1990. So they came back out in them black ones. And they had the Jumpman on the back. But these, see, the original ones got the Nike. They got the Nike Air on them. So when they dropped the black ones again in 2016, they did have a Nike Air. But this part was a little funky, man. I wasn't kind of feeling that blue tint that they did on those. You know, I didn't really like that. I kind of like it icy like this. Like, I don't, you know, I'm kind of up in the air about the blue tint. But Nike has me doing that to avoid some of the yellowing, you know. They say that it helps. So what else we got here, man? Look, let's start talking about what's next. All right. What we got coming up next is some 4's. It's a color pack on the 4's, and they all white. They coming out in what? White and red, white and purple, white and green, and I did have the white and green ones. And they also coming out in white and orange, man. Am I grabbing those? I don't know. Could be a giveaway. Let's start talking about that soon, because pretty soon, man, y'all drop some comments, man. Y'all mess with me. I'm gonna pick somebody out, and I'm gonna start giving away some kicks. That's what I'm gonna start doing. You know what I'm saying? Real serious up over here, though, man. Lou Kang's Kickx, man. Hey, and word up today too. You know, the word of encouragement of today. I'm gonna start doing a word of encouragement on my videos, man. Hey, it's consistency, man. Consistency. So, you know, you keep going, you don't give up. I talked about that in the last video, and you gotta stay consistent, man. You know, you gotta stay working hard. So if you have a job, you're gonna get up every day, you're gonna go work hard. If you go to school, you're gonna get up every day and go to school and try your best, man. You're gonna keep going, and you're gonna keep going, and you're gonna keep repeating it. And, you know, you're just gonna keep doing that, man, because you can't be successful without that. It's just not gonna work out for you, you know? That's not gonna work, man. I must also start showing y'all what's on my feet, you know what I'm saying, on a daily. You know what I mean? What I'm rocking today, you know? All of that, man. Hey, Air Jordan, Fire Red. You know what I'm saying? Hard, man. I've been waiting on these for years, man. These is so beautiful. So beautiful. The leather on them is really, really soft too. You know? Yeah, and another thing, man, like, try not to turf no original colors. You know, it's hard sometimes, though. Those black 5's that I had, like, I probably had those for, like, 10 years. So when you have an original color for, like, 10 years, they're going to be a little turf by the time you get done rocking them, because what happens is, you know, you wear them from time to time, and even if you wear them and you clean them, man, if you done had it for 10 years, it's kind of, you know, unless it's, you know, you got 2 or something and you stash one, it's going to be kind of hard. I don't know if that 3M hitting on the light or not. I don't know if y'all can see that, man. That's 3M material on the tongue, man. It's hard. It's hard, man. Hey, I appreciate y'all, man. Once again, I love y'all. You know, look, Lou Kang's Kickx, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. Come check me out, man. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Oh, it's Mother's Day, too. Happy Mother's Day to Mom. You know, she the one kick-started a lot of this. And I'm going to get at y'all next time, man. Comment, like, subscribe. I'm out.